Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 18th of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and so whatever has happened today in the market, this video comment is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. So let us start. First, we'll start with August future of Nifty. As we can see, the Nifty had opened slightly gap down looking at the global cues. The previous close was at 17,974 and then it closed at 17,936. So closing at opening at 17,936 to quick making a low of 17,858. So as we can see in this candle, we can go. Let's go at 3 minutes time frame, and then when we goes on 3 minutes time frame, it opened quick. This as you can see, 946 at the top. 915 approximately 50-60 points only on one candle, nobody, it's purely wick, and from there it has just kept on dropping to touch this pivot level. It couldn't sustain below the pivot level and then took a quick support, and then we saw a recovery happening which was at 17,890 to 17,943, and then from there again rejection coming up because as we can see this pivot level, it couldn't resist above that, and then we saw a quick downfall, and then we saw a quick rally after 2 p.m. The only reason why I feel, because we saw around high volume in Reliance, which was approximately 3.04 million, which is 30 lakhs, 40,000 trades happened buy sell in Reliance today, and it was trading at its closing price was 2655.15 or 0.52% higher today from the previous close. Also, now coming back to the Bank Nifty August future, as expected, the Dow Jones were trading yesterday lower, and we saw even the Bank Nifty to open lower. Before moving to the Bank Nifty forward, I would like to show you my positions for the day. This 18,000 loss you see, I was expecting a gap up today as the market went rallied here. I entered at somewhere around this point. I entered this 39,500 call option. It was in the money at the point when I was looking at the Bank Nifty's chart, and I had to exit this at 72 rupees. If I had not exited by the end of the day, I would still be saving 16,000. But still, I have definitely no zero regrets, because what if it would have gone the other side? But it is completely okay for me. So it is what it is. We can't help. We can't prevent these losses. It was my mistake taking an overnight position, which I never take. But I don't know what happened. I just felt a very strong feeling. But you see, it didn't open gap up. But it went down. But from there we saw a quick recovery in halfway. But all my hopes, all my strategies, everything had failed by the morning, because SC50 was trading lower and the US market was also trading lower. So I was expecting Indian market to also follow the same pattern, but it did not. It proved me wrong again. Anything could happen, so it just follow with the pattern, and then not following the global market. So yes, that is what it is. But opening and closing may opening varies on the global market is what I have been seeing. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I have observed. All right, so from this point it has went up, which is we see 3 minutes time frame, and then quick goes up approximately 39,430 to 39,600, 200 points it has gone up, and from there it has just dropped to 200 points lower. Damn. And then again we saw a quick recovery from this point and then goes up. I do not know what will happen today, but I am expecting a soft opening to a gap up or to a gap down, because at the time I'm recording the video, the Dow Jones is trading lower at 33,906.43 or 73 points lower, or you can say 0.22% lower from its previous closing. So I don't know what will happen tomorrow, but let us see how the things will goes. By the way, for a while there was no volume in Bank Nifty, but there was some good volume coming in the Nifty 50 future. Yeah, so this is how my trade looked. My biggest loss, I think, over the last 2 months. Yeah, this is in last 2 months. 18,000 is my biggest loss as for now. Yeah. Well, then that's it from my side today. Thank you so much for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Also, I am really, really happy because today I completed 1 month continuously posting on YouTube. Because okay, not continuous means only on the trading days I post a video on YouTube, and I have been very consistent on this part. Thank you so much everyone for all the support. That's it from my side today. See you all in the next episode.